Is localized video orchestration logic crashing because of the Dmvideo Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. To kick off the manual repair for Dmvideo Library, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Dmvideo Library, frequently associated with localized video capture or DVD authoring tools. It provides the DirectShow filter hooks required to process real-time video streams. If missing, specialized video software will report no video capture device detected, or will fail to render the preview window, citing a DirectShow initialization failure. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Missing Dmvideo Library. DLL data often points to a failed patch within the localized video orchestration logic integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Dmvideo Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Dmvideo Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with Dmvideo Library. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Dmvideo Library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.